राज्यात 12वीचो निकाल ब्रेस्तारा जाहीर जालो। ह्या वर्सा एकूण 88.77% 12वीचो निकाल लागला। दर वर्सा प्रमाण ह्या फावटूय चलयांनी चल्या परस बाजी मारल्या। चलयांचो 90.60% निकाल जाल्यार चल्यांचो 86.69% रिझल्ट लागला। विज्ञान शाखेत 88.12%, वाणिज्य शाखेत 96.70%, कला शाखेत 87.53% आणि व्यावसायिक शाखेत 88.15% निकाल लागला। 23 उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयांनी 95% वयर निकाल लागला। ह्या परीक्षेत 16,521 भुरगीं बशिल्लीं, तातूंतली 14,666 भुरगीं पास जाल्यांत। पुरवणी परीक्षा 8 जूनाक जातली अशी माहिती गोवा बोर्डाचे अध्यक्ष J.R. रिबेलो हांणी दिल्या। आरडीएक्स खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
The exams were conducted from 1st March to 22nd March. Of course, because of counting of votes, we had to shift one paper to 22nd. It was a major paper. So, Marathi was conducted on 22nd. And if we just have a recap of the results that the Goa board has been producing for the last 5 years, the number of students has been increasing gradually from 12 onwards. In 14 there was a decrease. It was because of the change in age 12 years before. That was somewhere in 2002. This year we had a record of 16,521 students answering. That was nearly 1,500 more than last year. 16,521 students answered poll, of which 14,666 have passed, giving a percentage of 88.77%. The girls and boys breakup, as usual, we have the girls, more girls answering the exam, 12th standard, and also performing better. You can see the percentage of the girls passing compared to the boys. The stream wise, this is for the first time again another first, that students answering science streams are more than the commerce stream. So there were more students who answered the science stream compared to the commerce stream. Otherwise it used to be commerce, the number of students answering commerce used to be the highest. But the number of commerce students passing is more than the science students this year. The percentage is given there. Arts is 87.53, commerce 90.7, science is 88.12, and vocational 88.15. Overall is 88.17. We have a system for the last 4-5 years that we list the schools which score over 95% in their 95% of the students pass in the 12th standard exam, and that list appears to remain almost the same every year, except 2 or 3 add and 2 or 3 go out. So if you see, if we compare last year, this year there are 3 new entrants and 3 who have gone out. So it appears that the institutions which do well are doing well consistently over the years. So you have 23 such schools which have scored over 95% result, and I think only 3 new entrants are there this year, but 3 have gone out.